Howdy everyone, this is the D floor plan at the Hanover Autry Park. This is totally new and available, and I just want to walk through just so you can see it. So what I like about it is we walk in and it's got some beautiful windows. It's gorgeous. So it's a little bit different because it feels a little bit more lofty in here because of these just really, really nice windows. I love this feel. That is your kitchen over there, and then there's your bedroom over there. But look at this, isn't this lovely? Just got a great kind of almost downtown high-rise feel, but in the Autry Park with a lot more walkability, frankly. So beautiful feel here. This kitchen is lovely, and love this backsplash, just gorgeous. These beautiful brown countertops are very, very nice too. Isn't this just great? I'm going to walk over here to the bathroom. The bathroom is terrific. This is a very long, very, very long, I'm still walking, closet, and a lot of space. So you're going to have plenty of room in your closet. And then I'm walking through the bathroom, and I want you to see the bedroom here. The bedroom is super cute. To me, you're going to have to put your bed though right here. I wouldn't have a huge bed. Didn't have quite as much space as I was hoping for. So you'd need kind of a smaller bed, maybe against that wall. I guess maybe a queen would work. Definitely not a king, but a queen or a full would work very nicely in here. And then you wake up and you've got some fantastic views. Just simply gorgeous. So this is a beautiful floor plan. I love the benefit is just that really the gorgeous kind of loft feel that you'd have in here. So nice floor plan.